didn't have enough space. Alright, 3100 full. I need a tire bad. I almost lost that shit. I need a fucking tire. The car just fucking spun. Holy shit. I can't do it. Yeah, I can't do the pull till I get a tire. It's really not safe. I almost like crashed the car, like no cap. So I tried. I'm gonna have to get a tire first. I can't do a 30, can't do a 40. I mean, I would try, but yeah. Sketchy because it literally was just spinning to the point where I had like no control, and I was like, okay, let me just like stop now, because literally all through second, no traction at all. The car spun unbelievably bad right there. Like that was actually the worst I've had this car spin, and it's really not even like, it's not cool outside. It's like, I think like 70 degrees out here. I mean, the ground is completely dry. Yeah, that was that was actually violent. I'm not gonna cap. I have the GoPro on my mouth too to kind of give you guys like the accurate like speedometer. It just gets to the point where it's just like, yeah, I want to go more, but you kind of want to be safe and smart with it. And like I literally like, I almost lost control right there because the car spun and it just, yeah, that was close. That was close. Better be safe than sorry, so we ain't gonna be doing that. And some of you guys wonder like, why am I doing a 30 to 100? It's because I have 410 gears, and I'm not going to be in the power band that I need to be in at fourth, or at a 40 roll in second. But if I drop it down to a 30 or like a 35, I'll be right where I need to be. So it's a little too much oomph for these Federals. Definitely need to get, and these are like the meaty Federals too. These are like the meaty Federal tires as well. Damn, I forgot to turn the light on in the car when I did that pull. Shit, I forgot to do that. Oh well, I might do one up here. I might just lean into it and do a pull, but that was sketchy as fuck. 50 right here. That's a little 50 to 100. That's what I mean about like these 410s. Like I don't want to really be doing these pulls right here, doing 50 100s. Maybe we can race this this Mopar up here. If it's a 5.7, it's gonna get gapped. Unless it might have some decent mods, but we'll see. This is a V6. Watch a U-turn. Oh, you're going straight. Oh no, he turning. He ain't doing the U-turn. We'll turn though, fuck it. Thought that guy was gonna do the U-turn and go back down, but I think it was a V6, so it wouldn't have mattered. If you guys are wondering, like, why I'm not really shifting at red line either. I'm shifting at like, I think 5800, 5900, something like that. For these videos, I'm just shifting at like 58, 59. When I actually like race the car, I take it to like 6K, but like just these for like rolls, you know, videos just to showcase how quick the car can be. I just shift to like 58. There's really no point. But I definitely need to go ahead and down my gears because I do not want to be doing 50 rolls because it takes me all of third and all of fourth to get to 100, and then the car is like pretty much done at like 110. Maybe I can squeeze 120 with the 410s. It's the only roll I can do with that it doesn't spin, but I don't want to be doing 50s, but it works pretty decent. Fuck. Nice job, buddy. but we ain't taking chances. Fucking arm signal out. Wondering why I stuck my arm out. My turn signals don't work, but legally, if I arm signal and they pull me over, they can't do anything, so. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Kind of wanted to go ahead and get kind of a test hit, 30 to 100. I'm gonna stop messing around, get a tire, because this car is getting pretty sketchy pretty quick. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll start on the post notifications, man. You about to start going crazy with this car. Mods are coming. And yeah. Deuces.